Hey everyone, thanks for joining Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, thanks for tuning back. New viewers, become subscribers so you get great recipes like this one. Today I'm making a taco in a lettuce wrap. Alright, so we're going to do beef taco. This is a pound of beef. This happens to be 80-20, but I also have some 96-4 medium heat. Just plain. We're going to brown this up. Work it up a little bit. And I'll work that until it's brown. And then we'll strain it, but let's talk about some spices. Now, there's another reason I'm doing two batches. My family doesn't like hot, and I do. So I'm going to do hot, and they're going to do not hot. Quarter teaspoon of sea salt. Quarter teaspoon of black ground pepper. A full teaspoon of garlic powder. A full teaspoon of onion powder. A full teaspoon of paprika, and a full teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm going to put all of that into my pan, and I'm doing this now because I want to season this beef as much as possible, and this is all we're really putting in there. I'm not doing a traditional taco with a bunch of tomato sauce and stuff like that. All right, so it's a tablespoon, not a teaspoon. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice that I'm not really being too particular about it. If it gets a little more, that's fine. I'm going to cook this till it browns. The ground beef has browned up. Not a lot to really strain off. You can if you want. This is one red onion. It's about a little bigger than a baseball. I'm going to go about half in on this. Now, if you like your onion raw in your taco, feel free to go that route. But I like to soften it up and get a little bit of the flavor from the sauce that we just made out of this. So, again, depending on how soft you want it, you can probably go up to 5 or 6 minutes. You just got to keep stirring it so you don't burn the meat. But I'm going to do about 2 minutes on this. Spend about 2 minutes. You can see that they're starting to get a little bit of color from the sauce and a little softened up. Again, you can go as long as you want, as long as you keep it moving. I've got a piece of buttered lettuce. You just want to get a decent sized one, and you don't want a lettuce that's going to crack up and everything like iceberg lettuce. That wouldn't be good for a wrap. So then I'm just going to take a little scoop. Put right in. And these are meant to be smaller, so you don't try to stuff the whole thing full. So 2 scoops. We're going to do a little bit of sour cream. I don't want to drag it all over. A little bit of salsa. This is a mild salsa, but use whatever salsa you want. And even better, if you had a homemade salsa, which I don't have one on here, that would rock. These happen to be grape tomatoes. I'm just going to put a couple in there. Again, use whatever vegetables you like. You see that I have some olives and other stuff out. If you're so inclined, go for it. And last but not least, some cheese. And there you go. Nice, easy, quick meal. In total, maybe 10 minutes worth of work. You know, I had the onion chopped. Call it 15 to prep it all. That's it. Make a couple of those and you got yourself an all-included meal. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what alterations you make, and check back for the next video. Otherwise, take care. Peace.